If you love the yoga trapeze and you're interested in becoming a certified teacher, or if you just want to deepen your practice, I'm excited to introduce you to our online yoga trapeze teacher training course. My name is Lucas Rockwood with YOGABODY. I've been training teachers since 2006 all over the world. And what I've learned is that for every one student who shows up to an in-person course, there's at least 10 more who would love to come, but they can't. For work or family or travel reasons, they just can't make it happen. We never really had a solution until now. I'm very excited to be able to offer all of the same amazing training we have in person now in an online version. At YOGABODY, we're the leading manufacturer of yoga slings worldwide. What this means to you is we have literally 200,000 students around the world who own yoga trapezes, but just a couple hundred teachers. We get emails and calls and messages every day from people desperate to have a class locally. There's a huge demand for teachers and very few teachers out there, so it's a great time to become a certified teacher. Here are some of the top benefits. Probably top on the list is you really deliver results. When people come to yoga trapeze classes, they're often dealing with a pain issue. Back pain is a big one, but also knee and hip pain. The yoga trapeze is a very strong transformation device. You'll help people relieve pain issues, develop strength, flexibility, and balance in a really fun and dynamic way. As a teacher, it's really rewarding to see your students progress. From a student's perspective, they get very excited about that transformation. Another big benefit is you can share the power of inversion practice with more people. Now, if you go on Instagram today, you'll see lots of beautiful people with beautiful bodies doing beautiful handstands all over the world. But let's be honest, those kinds of inversions are not really accessible to most people. My students, your students, they're average people, all ages, all body types. Using the yoga trapeze, we can help all of them go upside down in a number of minutes. And everyone can benefit from the power of inversion therapy. As a yoga trapeze teacher, it's very easy to attract students. If you're a normal yoga teacher, I also teach mat-based classes, it can be very difficult to attract students locally because there's yoga happening everywhere. With yoga trapeze, you can't help but attract students. If you hang a rig in a gym or a studio or even in the park, you'll find a line of people interested in taking class. It's like a client magnet. You can also set your own schedule. Many of our graduates are full-time office workers, full-time moms or dads, and they can only teach a couple nights a week, or they can only teach on weekends. With yoga trapeze, you can really set your own schedule. You can mix and match. As a yoga trapeze teacher, you earn a really great living. Private classes, the price range is very similar to a massage therapist or a chiropractor, so your per hour rate is really very high. Last but not least, you can travel and teach. We have yoga trapeze owners in 81 countries, but we only have teachers in about 21 countries. What that means is we have opportunities in big cities like Berlin and London and New York, and also in tropical destinations like Bali and Thailand and Costa Rica. More and more of our graduates are taking advantage of that and traveling and teaching, which can be a really, really fun experience. For certified yoga trapeze teachers, there are three main opportunities: teaching in your client's home, teaching in your home, or teaching in parks or outdoor locations. That's teaching privately. Number two is working in studios. More and more studios around the world now have professional rigs, and the teachers are in demand for teaching in those locations. Last but not least is teaching in gyms or fitness centers. CrossFit boxes and climbing gyms are other popular areas where our graduates are teaching. Here's how it works. It happens over 2 weeks, and you can very easily join from your phone or your computer. There's no tech knowledge needed. You can join us for our live classes, or you can catch the replays if your schedule is busy. There's both pre-recorded and live engagement, so you can always get answers from myself or the other training team. It's a Yoga Alliance registered course, and it's really designed for anyone who wants to teach professionally. We'll share with you all the skills you needed, included anatomy and physiology, back and spinal anatomy, back pain management, sequencing, marketing and sales, and so much more. If you're interested in becoming a yoga trapeze teacher, this is all of the same information we share in our in-person course, but you can do it from the comfort of your own home. If you'd like to move forward, I'm guessing you'd like to see some reviews and some videos from past students, and you'd like to know how this certification can apply to you directly, scroll down for more details. Feel free to email us if you have any questions. We want to make sure that it's the right course for you as well. I'm very excited to be able to offer all of the same amazing tools we offer in person, now online, to make this more accessible to more people. Thanks so much for your interest, and I hope you can join us for this course very soon.